Hey guys, so today in this video I am going to talk about how you can download iOS 17 on your iPhone. So iOS 17 is finally available. I am using iOS 17 since the first day of developer beta. It's been a great journey of using iOS 17 developer betas, and now finally iOS 17 official is available for the public, and yes, you can update to this version. It is very simple. You need to have iPhone 10s or the latest any iPhone up to iPhone 15 that will support iOS 17. If you're using any older iPhone, which means iPhone 10 or iPhone 8, you cannot update to the iOS 17. So yeah, you need latest iPhone starting from the iPhone 10s to the latest any iPhone. Yes, you can update to the iOS 17. So in this video, let's talk about how you can update to the iOS 17. For the very first, if you are using iOS 16 on your iPhone 10s or any latest version, what you need to do is you just need to go to your settings. Okay, after going into your settings, you need to go to general. Now it is important to make sure that you have extra storage, so you need to check your storage first. If you're rocking more than 20 gigs, if you have more than 15 gigs extra, you can easily update. In my case, I have a lot of extra storage, so yes, I can easily update to the latest version. So what you need to do is you need to go to software update and wait for it. I am already updated on the iOS 17. If you're using any older version, it will be show up over here and you can update to the iOS 17. If you are rocking any betas, you are rocking any iOS 17 public beta or developer beta, you need to uncheck these boxes. Before this, I was using this, so it was like this, but after now I don't want to use any beta, so I am on this. So my beta updates are off. You need to turn this off, all beta updates, so you can easily get the actual latest update that is available for the public. It is a very simple process that how you can download the iOS 17 on your iPhone. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below what features do you like about the iOS 17. I will be sharing more features, full videos and a lot of tips and tricks on this channel, so make sure to subscribe.